Welcome everybody on this beautiful afternoon as we celebrate this amazing occasion of Jacqueline and Thomas's wedding. Heavenly Father, be attentive to our prayers, O Lord, and in your kindness, pour out your grace on these, your beautiful servants, Thomas and Jacqueline, that coming together before you, they may be confirmed in love for one another.
I, Thomas, take you, Jacqueline, for my lawful wife, to have and to hold,
for better or worse,
for richer or for poorer,
to love and to cherish until death do us part.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Jacqueline and Thomas Johnston. Thomas, you may kiss the bride. Nice.